Earth, a magnificent planet, graced with breathtaking landscapes and diverse ecosystems, finds its beauty increasingly overshadowed by a convergence of threats. As we navigate this intricate and unsettling world, the specter of a potential global famine and power outage looms large. Devastating hurricanes, earthquakes, floods, tornadoes, droughts, volcanic eruptions, wildfires, landslides, extreme heat waves, and extreme cold and winter storms, and disrupt the delicate balance of nature on a global scale. The Earth reminds us of its immense power. But these are not the only challenges we face. Man-made disasters, including environmental pollution, terrorist attacks, and cyber threats, add another layer of complexity. These disasters not only cause direct harm, but have far-reaching consequences: displacement, food scarcity, and strained resources. Public health emergencies loom as formidable threats, unleashed by the sudden outbreak of infectious diseases or other menacing health crises. The relentless strain on healthcare systems has the chilling capacity to plunge society into profound disruption and chaos. Climate-related events, driven by global climate change, are increasingly impacting our world. From prolonged droughts to devastating floods and extreme weather conditions, these events can disrupt food production and strain resources. Space-related events, such as asteroid impacts or solar flares, although rare, have the potential for catastrophic consequences. Social and economic crises, with economic downturns and political instability, can magnify existing vulnerabilities, leading to widespread food shortages and hunger. These crises unravel social structures, intensifying challenges for individuals and deepening inequalities. In turbulent times, the ripple effects prompt a critical reassessment of strategies to address societal well-being. Conflict and war, with their devastating impact on communities, are powerful disruptors. Beyond immediate harm, these situations can lead to displacement, resource shortages, and societal breakdowns. In the face of these multifaceted challenges, preparedness is key. Whether it's natural disasters, man-made disruptions, public health emergencies, climate-related events, space-related threats, or social and economic crises, a collective effort is needed. The call for international cooperation and proactive measures has never been more critical. Let us prepare today for a resilient and sustainable tomorrow.